try it on. How many of you go shopping? There you go. Now you're awake. All right, awesome. How many of you go shopping and you get 2 articles of clothing? And both of the articles of clothing, the price is right and it makes sense. So you take it into the dressing room. The first one that you try on, the price is right, it looks good, it fits good. What do? Okay, so some people said buy it, some people said, okay. I'm going to adjust these real quick. There you go. Awesome. So, some people buy it. Anybody else not choose to buy it immediately? What do you do with the lady with the red scarf? Can you speak up a little bit louder like you don't have a microphone? She's nodding back there. She's like, yeah. Okay, so she keeps it on her arm, on her shoulder, and she walks around the store. How many of you do that? So what you're saying is that some of you have different opinions, is that correct? Okay. How many of you have opinions and you know your opinions are right? How many of you have opinions, know your opinions are right, and have met another human being in your life that has different opinions than you, and they have the nerve and the audacity to think that they're right? So what I've discovered in learning about the mind, and the best place to learn about minds is working with 2 to 5-year-olds, because their minds are more sharper, quicker, faster than anything I've ever seen. What I've learned is that we have ongoing programs that run us. And we don't even realize why yet, and it's not taught in traditional education. How many of you have the program, I met somebody else with a different opinion, and my job is to have them get rid of their opinions and have them believe my opinions are now their opinions? How many of you have ever spent 1 minute of your life trying to change somebody else's opinion? 2 minutes, 5 minutes, your whole marriage. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.